Everyone. Today we are going to see how we can generate an alert for a trailing stop loss, and we will see how it works on Tradovate. So trailing stop loss works the same on both indicator and strategy. So let's go with the strategy. It only works when your strategy doesn't have multiple take profits. So we will select a node here. Here we select yes. Here we have take profit and stop loss types. Here we have dollars. This amount would be added or subtracted from the entry fill price. So if I place here $5 and your entry price is 100, so here your take profit is going to be 105, and your complete loss will be 5 into 20, where 20 is a lot size of NQ. We have already explained those things in a separate video. I will put the link in the description so you can watch it. So we will just move with dollars. Stop loss we will fill $100, and in take profit we will select $100. In trail stop loss, we will select yes. Here we will enter how much trail value we want to enter. Let's say we put the trail value as 2, so it will always be below $2 from the current running price. In trail trigger value, so whenever the price moves in my favor, let's say we put a $100 entry, and the price moves $1 in my favor. So the trail is going to get activated when the price moves to 101. So this will be applicable only on the first activation. Here in frequency, it works for the every time activation. For example, I place an entry on $100 and my trail stop loss value is $2. The trail trigger value is 1, and the trail frequency is also 1. So when my price moves to 101, then no change is going to happen. When the price moves to 101.25, then my trail is going to get triggered. And then if my price moves to 102.25, then this frequency is going to come into the picture. As trail trigger value triggers price on the first time, and trail frequency works for the second or further values. As we are testing only trail, so here we will select no and break even. Now I will select on generate alert. I will select my Tradovate account ID, and here it gave me the alert code. Now we will copy this code, and we will paste it into the TradingView. Once the TradingView triggers the alert, our order will get placed and we can monitor our trade. As you can see, our entry was at 6132.50. And our initial stop loss was at 6032.50, which is 100 less than our entry price. It gets changed to 6131.50. Why is it so? So as our price crosses 6133.5, our stop loss changed. As we have entered the stop loss value to 2, and for trigger we have take profit value as 1. Our entry was 6132.50 plus $1, which was our trigger. So the price reached 6133.50. So as our stop loss was 2, therefore the value becomes 6131.50, as 6133.50 to 2 equals 6131.50. So if our price is reaching this point, then stop loss should reach this point. This is how we can place a trial order. And it is displayed in the alert section also. That's all for this video.